Greetings and welcome to this video. We're going to take a small ride along and share some of the experiences of our 2023 Catamaran Cruiser Lil Hobo. Our intention was set to have a boat that would be perfect for extended weekend getaways. We prefer to avoid crowds and instead escape to a remote bay or secluded beach. This small houseboat has a lithium battery upgrade, solar panels for electricity, and a water filtration system for providing endless clean water drawn right from the lake. My name is Dave, and I'll be your captain. And hey, this small houseboat is trailerable, so we can easily transport it from lake to lake. So come along for a ride. Let's get this in the water. So now that we got this out of the water, I wanted to take an opportunity to look at this trailer. This is what would come with this boat if you were to purchase it from the factory. This trailer is estimated to weigh about 2,500 pounds, and the boat is about 6,500 pounds. So if you're all loaded up, ready for your weekend, you're probably close to 10,000 pounds. Moving along to the front of the trailer here, you can see we've added a small solar panel and a small battery so that we could have an electric tongue jack. Much better than the little hand crank unit that came with it. Moving on to the dock, we can see how this sits nice and level, pretty even with the dock line, and has easy step-on access. You could also access from the back swim ladder. So let's shove off and welcome aboard. Well, we found this lovely mooring ball in a secluded area to hang out on for a while. This is a great opportunity to look at this houseboat a little bit in more detail. This small houseboat is 31 feet long and 8 feet wide. In this video segment here, we can see how she floats. It's about 4 inches higher in the front by design, and the draft is about 18 inches. The decks and the roof are hand-rolled fiberglass. Another unique feature of this small houseboat is that the handmade fiberglass hulls have individual compartments. There is roughly 10 compartments in each hull. So the danger from sinking due to hull flooding and damage is virtually eliminated. Moving on into the interior, I wanted to take a better look at this flip-flop dining set. Now this is installed at the factory by Catamaran Cruisers. I wanted everyone to get a good look at how this works. With a simple flip of the couch, we're in driving position. Remove the cushions and you can lower down the table, and there's your bed platform. Some really good storage on either side. And with the cushions back in place, there's your bed. So with that, let's grab a second coffee and get to the beach. Right now we're going to look for a nice little beach. Like to park on for the day. Nobody here, so take your pick. Got my beaching anchors all ready to go. Those aluminum alloy sand flukes. They're rigged up and ready to drop as soon as we hit the beach. So in this overhead video, you can see a typical beaching procedure. I like to deploy the sand anchors about 45 degrees and cinch that boat really nicely up onto the beach. This prevents it from swaying about if the wind comes along. It feels nice to get out and touch the sand. Stretch your legs. Don't forget to take time to just enjoy. Yeah, just barely the tip of the boat is touching the ground.
Oh, you did it.
That's kind of surprising. See, my propeller is clearing that just by a few inches, but that's good enough. Here's the RV style dump, which is what is common in our area. This boat, because it's trailerable, can be used in an RV park if you really want to. Not that you'd want to pull that much weight around just to camp, but you can. Oh, look at that. Some poor spider. Hopefully you're doing good. In this little clip here, we can see how the swim ladder works. A nice lightweight aluminum one drops right in the water. Nice swim ladder. So as this day comes to an end, I really wanted to thank you for coming along. To all the small houseboat enthusiasts, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I have so much more to share, some incredible new projects, and so many places to visit. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like and subscribe if you want to be notified when the next video is available. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.